Chat, let me tell you about the BTMC talent server, formerly known as the BTMC Tech Squad, formerly known as the Osu Dev server. Incredible. We recently made some changes, which is why I was late for like the longest time. Also, we redid the channel for what's it called? Something access. I already forgot what it was called. But now it is a introduction channel. And so the plan for today is to go through every single person who introduced themselves, to read through their introduction and to take a look at their portfolio. Because chat, this server is filled with some of the smartest people in the universe. The highest IQs exist here. The next Albert Einstein is in this server. Or maybe they will join right now at !dev server. It's true. Alright? It's very cool. So, at the moment, we've mobilized the server to make a couple cool key features already. Namely, the PP counter, which is up here, courtesy of the dev server. The dude who developed Tosu, which aggregates all the information to construct that PP counter, is even in the server, dude. That shit was insane. All right. The now playing bot, all right, made by Jaren, also in the server. All right. And the most recent project that we are now taking on is the Tosu key overlay. Check this out. It lists the key count for that map, and it shows the BPM that I'm single tapping. So that way you can know whether or not I'm overstreaming or understreaming on each finger. And for some reason, they also put a BMC logo up there. But that's cool. That's all good. That's fine sometimes. As you can see, this server is making great strides, huge improvements, innovations seen nowhere else before. And so, if you want to join in, that'd be pretty dope. !dev server. Introduce yourself. All right. Send in a message. Say hi. I want to go through every single... What the f... Bob? Hi, I'm Bob. I'm studying computer science with a focus in machine learning and mechanical engineering. I know how to code in Java, Python, JavaScript, C++, how to use ChatGPT for programming, because why the fuck not? Build robots and code robots, make PCBs with KiCad, build stuff with CAD, metal stuff, 3D printing, whatever you want, I can make it. For Papega Ed, CAD is computer-aided design, especially when an engineer... Dude, I took a robotics class. I know what fucking CAD is, dude. I know what AutoCAD is. I've used AutoCAD, bro. What the f... I could make new round table trophies? What the f... Wait a second. Do some basic machine learning stuff. If you want me to develop some image classification models / computer vision / basic machine learning models. Wait! Bob is a high intellectual? Also, here's a claw I made for a school project. Took me a week. Also, here's the PCB I made for potential keypad. Still needs fixing, but took me about 2 weeks to make. I forgot about the PCB because like 2 weeks later, Mini made the mini pad. Holy f***! I had no idea! I thought Bob was just a yapper. I had no idea that this community had so many like really smart people. Like, it's actually fucking insane, dude. I thought my chat had like a collective IQ of 5 and it all belonged to Inyoti. Like, dead ass. I literally spent my entire day. I woke up this morning. I like cleared through my DMs and I've just been in this Discord, like just like chatting with people. And it's actually kind of crazy. Oh, we also got our first ban because they were kind of being weird. But yeah. Chat, I'm telling you, this server is a fucking gold mine. It is a gold mine. All right, you know what? Let's get to it. Point counter. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you can see the behind the scenes that everything about this server is scuffed, so we're still figuring it out. So if you join the server with !dev server, understand that everything is chronically on fire, and I'm still figuring it out. But anyways, let's start with this one. All right. Hi, guys. I'm Akaki. I've been trying to become a graphics designer lately. In the past, I used to experiment with Photoshop quite a lot, but I never pursued it seriously. So far, I created a few banners with my friends and some Osu Me section design, and currently working on more projects to improve my skills. I haven't made a portfolio yet because too unexperienced, but I've uploaded my first banners to the Osu Me section design on Imgur. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated. I joined the BTS to stay motivated, create more designs, push myself further, and get more experience by trying to be helpful. Oh my god, so sweet. Wait, let's take a look. I've seen the Osu meme. Oh! Oh, shit! Wait, I feel like I've seen some of these. Yo! Bro, this is a portfolio. What are you on about? I like how there's so many, like... I know she's from Genshin. I know she's from... Well, I only know because it says Arknights right here, so I'm assuming she's from Arknights. I'm assuming these girls are from Toho, but she kind of sticks out like a sore thumb. Anyways. Very cool. Very epic. Thank you for joining Akaki. Akaki. My bad. Spakios. Hello. I don't know what I can help with, but I'm interested. I like the community aspect, especially when there's a bunch of devs. I have a bunch of dev experience. These days, I code mostly in Rust, like this little cool snake game. Wait, it's like Minesweeper's UI. While coding the render for this game, I created the prettiest bug I've ever seen. Bro, that's like an MKBHD wallpaper that doesn't cost $50 a year. Anyways, sometimes I go back to C#, C# because I have some projects to maintain or something to contribute. Linux support, PR requests. Chat, I need to learn how to use GitHub. I don't know how to use GitHub. Every time I see this shit, I just see walls of text and I'm just like, yeah. I can do JS, TS, Node.js, normal web dev stuff, as well as Discord bots? You can make Discord bots? Yo! I know some basics of low-level rendering, which I use to make my own key overlay mostly from scratch. Here's an example of me using it. Wait, we literally just had someone else make a key overlay too. Bro just did this from scratch? There's no way. That's dope. I've used Osu Framework before to make a small board game when I was in university. That was cool. Osu Framework? That's the underlying code that's open source that Laser uses in order to create Osu Laser, right? They use it to make a board game? I'm comfortable with Figma. I made my own skin with it, and I can do some basic UI design. I love doing that. I'm also in part made this Rust joke project that became kind of popular. What the f is Rust? Can someone explain to me what Rust is? Rust is the better version of C++, a language we should all worship. There was like somewhere where people were like saying something about Rust, and then they were spamming like a bunch of like, I forgot what it was. Why is everyone spamming Greg? There's something about Rust that seems to have a poll. But anyways, that's cool. Let's see. That's dope. Also wise, I've been recently ascending 5-digit, mostly play on Laser. My man. And there's almost nothing on my website, but here you go. Hey, I don't even know how to make my own website, so that's cool. I'm Spakius. 22. What the f? Year-old software developer, huge weeb and rhythm games enthusiast. Website review. No projects. Anime. Bro prioritized creating his personal anime 3x3 over his projects. I respect that. Are they clickable? Oh my god. What the? Okay, definitely a weeb. This website is not sponsored by the Rust Foundation. They also use Arch. I don't understand these software developer memes, but like I see the Arch, by the way, phrase used a lot, and I'm starting to see Rust being mentioned a lot. Thank you, Spakius. Yishmeal. Hello, everyone. I'm working as a software engineer for 11 years, and I'm here for meeting new people and networking. Watch how everything goes as I'm interested in developing for Osu. I did a lot as an engineer, and here's my experience. I did many projects that works on top of these technologies and more. JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP, the Philippines. Golang, Java, Python, Postgres, SQL, MySQL, Redis, Rabbit, MQ. Worked with high load and knows how to deal with huge capacity. If you need my help, you can ask me in DMs. Okay, this guy scares me. Cause like usually when it comes to like an introduction, you like spit everything that you did, you like list all your achievements. Bro just casually explains that they've been a software engineer for 11 years, refuses to elaborate, and just has this aura. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is all you need to know. That's it. Thank you, Yishmael. Huh. I need a thumbs up all the ones I read. Because my objective is to read literally everyone's intro and portfolio thing. Because I think this is dope as dude. Anyways, I'm not as experienced as these guys above me. Y'all are goats. But I'm currently an electrical engineering student. I'm conducting research on behalf of my university dealing with machine learning. I've successfully developed reinforcement learning algorithms that can help implement it in other facets. So that seems to be of use. I can always help. Chat, what do electrical engineering people actually do? Do they like connect wires together? Circuits and stuff. Like if there was, say for instance, hypothetically, an outlet in the wall behind me starts smoking and it ends up melting the wall. And after investigating, there are too many amps being pulled over the thing. Is that an electrical engineer's job? That's an electrician and not an electrical engineer. He can basically tear apart your TV controller and make it into a robot car. What the f? So he's like working with PCBs and shit. Oh. Wait, so like, say hypothetically you have a keypad and you're trying to make this keypad, instead of running at 1,000 hertz, you're trying to get it to run at 8,000 hertz. Is that an electrical engineering thing? Just replace the quartz crystal. I don't know what that means. Okay, that's dope as that's interesting. Electrical engineering. Fascinating. Gabriel says, oh yeah, this is before I renamed it. Yep, I renamed it later. Yep. Thank you, Dragon King. Yo, I have 10 years of experience with Photoshop in general, and I'm interested in helping with everything I can. I've had experience creating advertisements for businesses, thumbnails, UI ideas, bare bones because Photoshop isn't ideal, and many more fucking around and finding out. Helping out is my main goal, so I'll do everything I can to contribute. Thank you, even. Damn, 10 years? Holy shit, dude. They probably make some banger memes. Actually, wouldn't it be the opposite? I feel like most people use like low effort type shit, like Canva or like CapCut or whatever. Anyways, Token. Hi, I'm a graphics and motion designer that creates band assets for YouTubers. I use Photoshop and After Effects for 6+ years. Learning Illustrator 2. Would love to make some assets for BTMC. My favorite streamer content creator since forever ago. Thank you. Wait, they have a YouTube as their portfolio. Alright, chat, guess the rank. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, wait, this reminds me of like my old Minecraft intros from like a 2017 era. Giveaway intro. God damn it, dude. This actually takes me back, dude. I miss the era of like Minecraft intro templates. Chat, I used to have one. Just like a Beast Troll MC intro. It's fire. Listen, man. No, I didn't make this. It was Blue Speeder. I still have this dude on Steam. He came into my chat a while back. It was fucking dope, dude. Like, I literally haven't talked to this dude in fucking ages. He pops up in my chat. He says, "Bro," and I'm like, "Oh my fucking god, is that Blue Speeder? No way." You know what I'm saying? That's super cool. What about Behance? What's Behance? Whoa. Neptune's Nook fictional case study, Urea YouTube brand assets, header designs, social media headers, logo designs. Damn it, I need an outro. Fuck. Okay, I might actually hit them up. Stingers too? What the f? Okay. A countdown is nice, but I feel like for me, I need that like instant gratification. And also I feel bad for like the VOD watchers, because then like they click on the VOD, and instead of going straight into like action-packed, the best live content of all time, they get hit with they get a timer, you know what I'm saying? The outros of your videos are you yapping about something. It's a trademark now. What's wrong with that? What is Neptune's Nook? Font choice Aquino. Color palette. Logos. Mock-ups. Task. Our task was to create a fictional restaurant or cafe. This is my first case study. Thanks for checking it out. I've learned quite a lot of things from this project. Solution. I decided to create an underwater restaurant that belongs to an amusement park, featuring a cartoony logo with a trident in the shape of a fork. I chose a less contrast color palette for this, and I think it looks great. Oh! I see it! What the f? Oh, I thought they were referring to the anchor. Oh, that's cute. Wait, that's so dope. Okay, that was dope. That was sick. Tokon, thank you. Chat, this is fun as I don't know about you guys, but like this shit is... Can you guys believe that these guys are in my channel? And they're just like chilling? And just like... Anyways, oh shit. Miyuki. I'm working as a full stack software and system developer and engineer. 1 year. I'm on my last semester, 5th semester, on computer science bachelor degree. 3 years experience. I've done many projects, from educational projects to production company and business, which is these technologies: Java, TypeScript, JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML, CSS, Tailwind, C#, .NET, C, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, MS SQL. Who the f comes up with these names? I worked with heavy data management systems, data structure and algorithms, information technology, security, full stack development, front-end development, back-end development, and heavy data load, including software, mobile apps, iOS and Android, mobile systems, websites, email services, deployment, servers, CLI, and much more. What the f, dude? All of this in 1 year? That's kind of crazy, dude. Ah, yes. This is when I realized that this place is epic. Ah, spoily. I feel so bad, dude. So I saw this dude's. I saw this dude. He joined the server. He dropped this intro. I saw 20 years of experience. I'm like, damn, that's dope. But he was being weird, so I ended up banning him. Sorry, man. Yeah, no, nothing against the guy. I just don't think this server is a good fit for him. You know what I'm saying? Nothing against him. We have one rule in the server. All right, we have one rule, and the rule is if you got bad vibes, then you get obliterated. That's it. That's it. I got bad vibes. You know what I'm saying? Enzo, get the f out! All right, where was I? Minnie. Oh, I know Minnie. Minnie's dope. I'm Minnie, and I love to do anything programming for the OC community. I've been coding in C# for around 9 years, but I'm highly capable of learning and can adapt to languages and frameworks very quickly. My most notable projects: Project MiniPad, the world's first rapid trigger keypad. I was supposed to build this, by the way, and then I never did, because I'm fake. Oh shit! Wait, they made the firmware for it too? Yo, chat. What type of person writes firmware for stuff that like communicates with like hardware shit? Cause like I talked about this many times before. I've always wanted to create a keypad. You know what I'm saying? But like at TwitchCon, I talked with this person. His name is JB of One Up Keyboards, and he's like, "Yeah, dude, I can help you build this shit, manufacture this shit, source the parts for this shit. However, rapid trigger is completely off the table unless we find someone who can help with like the firmware and like figuring out how to do 8,000 hertz, because apparently 8,000 hertz is like really difficult. So like maybe Minnie could help with that. Embedded software developer, embedded software dev / engineer. It is difficult. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if it's marketing, but like from what Wooding was saying, it seemed like 8,000 hertz polling rate is like really difficult, because they were hyping it up saying that like, oh, you have to make sure that the computer scans every 8,000 things and your keyboard checks every 8,000 things and make sure that they're synchronized so that when the keyboard checks, the computer checks so that the information goes through. You know what I'm saying? For rapid trigger, you need microcontroller with ADC. Why do you want 8,000 hertz? If I make a keypad, there's no way that I can compete unless I have like the headline features. You know what I'm saying? I doubt there's even any like noticeable difference between 1,000 and 8,000 hertz, but because it exists, might as well. You know what I'm saying? But like because I've never done it before, I need to figure it out. Vacancy. I don't plan on doing that anytime soon. You need both a very powerful processor and you need an expensive oscillator, especially for a full keyboard. Bob, do you actually know like the deets? We can, if I just can figure out what we need, we can summon the OSU dev server and mobilize. Cause like this guy JB is down to do it. We just need to find the tech. You know what I'm saying? Just so you know, I messaged you about this shit back in 2022.
BMC.
Holy I literally deadass just didn't even respond to him. I'm fake. I'm fake. No. Ed, you're literally the fakest guy I know. It's over, dude. It's over. Bob, I'm sorry. My fault. Oh, shit. Wait, what the f? Hey, guys.
Oh, hey, I'm just here if you wanted explanations for whatever, like if you're confused about something.
Hello.
That's
Like
crazy.
you were like asking about SQL and whatnot, like databases. If you
This is so sad. Can we ban Bob again?
Blue scene jump scare. But anyways, Mini has Project MiniPad, a Discord bot for PP development, Huisbot, an OSU related Discord bot for used on the PP Discord server. Bot uses an Omni key in order to gain onion level access to Huismet Beanen. However, this key is not necessary with the basic functionality. The bot only provides an extended access for more reworks. What the f does it do? Oh, this is basically the PP rework type shit. I still need to look into that. Anyways, a whole time visual analyzer created while the Cloudful situation happened. A hotkey visualizer for mapping live streams for log off now. A well-documented C# OSU API v2 wrapper. There's plans to turn this into a multi-purpose library. A program for supporting you on your search of finding BNs for your beat maps. The BN manager, also known as BN dating simulator. Formerly developing the stock price algorithm for OSU Capital. Oh my god, I remember OSU Capital. That shit was such a great idea. And I don't know what happened to it. Maybe, I hope it's still alive. My formerly useful OSU server switcher, now depreciated due to a new client feature. Furthermore, I also evolved a lot in PP development, putting my main focus on creating and improving tooling. Use my PP devs to be able to create reworks and improvements much easier and smoother. I also involved in a lot of cheating investigation, notably in-depth investigation regarding the Cloudful situation and being the one exposing Alerted Dragon for having sold his account. My current project's involved in OSU News website with a dedicated journalist team writing objective, informational articles all around more specific OSU community topics that the official OSU News doesn't cover. Bro is creating the OSU Digest, the OSU Times, the Big Black Us. A third-party server-side anti-cheat for detecting DKS, Rappy, Snappy, and Co. automatically by scanning all replays of the top 10,000 OSU players. You're telling me every time I send a replay, it checks if it has Rappy, Snappy? More to come, who knows? My public projects can be tracked on my public Trello board here. Holy shit. Mini is OP as that's crazy. Wait, Genshin Impact Resin Planner. What the f are you talking about? Does that even play Genshin anymore? I haven't been here in like 2 months. Irolio, I'm on this eternal loop of like I don't want to launch the game because if I launch the game, then the welcome back rewards are gonna hit, and if the welcome back rewards are gonna hit, then I know I'm gonna have to keep playing in order to max it out. You know what I'm saying? But I just don't have the time for that, so I keep kicking it down. The same applies for Wuthering Waves, dude. I just don't have time, dude. I did. Anyways, thank you, Minnie. That was very cool. All right, next up we have Light. What's up, Light? Hello, chat. I'm Light, Lighted, Light, DXD, and so on. Why do I have so many nicknames? I really love Osu and its community and what it can do. I've always tried to find my way and finally found this server by accident. Welcome. I'm a full stack, mostly front end developer. Unfortunately, with no experience working in companies since I'm 17. Giga Chad! Hell yeah, dude. But I'm doing web development since I was 11 and learned a lot of things. Also launched my first commercial project about a year ago and made a lot of money. Bro is 17 and is making money moves. What the f? Programming languages and frameworks I know. Node.js, Philippines, HTML, JavaScript, type, blah, 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 blah. And more that I can't remember. My main language is now Node.js. I don't know why, but I really like it and I feel very comfortable with it despite it being whatever JS is. JavaScript? Node JavaScript? I would love to work with you guys in a big friendly team and do a lot of good for Osu and other communities. My links. Profile. Review. What the f happened here? Rank 22K. I can't read any of this shit. Sorry. National anthem of the USSR. Top play is 400 PP. Pretty good. W. They also link their GitHub. Chat, when people link their GitHub, what am I supposed to do? Like, how do I read this? Hi, I'm Light, a Node.js full stack developer. Currently working on CS2 Weapon Paint's website? What the f? Yo! Wait, so like when people like go to GitHub, do they actually like read the code? I see the code and it just becomes this like block that I just by habit just scroll past because I don't know what to do. Yes, we do. Sometimes depends. 213 contributions in the last year. What is a contribution, chat? Is that like nice job? Thumbs up. Is that a contribution? A commit. A commit? A commit? What is a commit? Anything that you push code towards a repository. You add code to your repo or someone else's. A commit is a change. So like a commit is different from a pull request. Or is the pull request meant to take your commit and integrate it? A pull request is a collection of commits. Isn't Pepe the user with the most commits on GitHub? What? Are you serious? Is there like a global leaderboard of like number of commits that I can look at? There's no way, dude. Pepe is rank 1 on GitHub? There's no way. What? Can someone please like send a link to the GitHub leaderboard? I have to see this, dude. There's no way that my dev is most active GitHub users. The count of contributions, summary of pull requests, open issues, and commits to public repositories at github.com from Wednesday 21st, September 22nd till Thursday 21st of September 2023. If you're not on the list, you don't have enough followers. Only if the first 1,000 GitHub users, according to the count of followers, are taken. This is because of the limitations of GitHub search, sorting algo in pseudocode. Wait, he's number 5! He's number 5 on this list! Wait, that's still insane. Wait, he's not too far away. He's only like 2,000 away. This is also a year outdated, but still holy fuck. Oh my god. Chat, our dev is OP. Okay. I'm very impressed. I'm like holy shit, that's crazy. Anyways, all right, thank you very much for taking time to read my introductions to you. Love you all. Thank you, Light. Very cool. Hiya, I'm Noel. I'm a 3rd year computer science student, but the majority of my coding knowledge has been things I've learned on my own time. Self-taught. We applaud the self-taughters. Damn right. You should see the commit count on Osu's repository. Send me a link. I'll take a look. Chat, over here, if you are self-taught, that means that you have discipline. That means that you have agency. That means that you are a normal functioning human. GitHub.com/Pepe/Osu. What do I look at? Oh yeah, I've also realized that like every time I click on GitHub, this whole thing is just something that I just don't even observe. I just keep scrolling until I find a download. You know what I'm saying? Go to the Insights tab. Excluding merges, 7 authors have pushed 54 commits to master and 54 commits to all branches. On master, 116 files have changed, and there have been 1,935 additions and 499 deletions. Whoa, is that Ollie Bombi? What the Oh, it's Smoogie. I know that guy. Commits? Oh. There's like 100 commits a week on average. Contributors? Contributions to master line counts have been omitted because the commit count exceeds 10,000. Peppy has 30,000 commits. Can someone show me what a commit looks like? Can a commit be as easy as just like writing a line of code and then like sending it out? It's literally any change. So if someone wrote like an article and I create a commit saying like you spelled your as your, please change it to your. That's a commit? What the Commit. Reduce brightness of hover effect 20 hours ago. Showing 1 changed file with 4 additions and 7 deletions. Red is deleted, green is added. So they removed public read-only bindable mod customization panel state. Expanded state equals new. Bindable mod customization panel state. Mod customization panel state dot collapsed. And changed it to public read-only bindable mod customization panel state. Expanded state equals new. Bindable mod customization panel state with no parameters. Oh, the highlighted part is what's removed. So on line 57, the parameter for osucolor.gray and the parameter for osucolor.gray was changed from 80 to 50, and the method, it's called method, right, of dot opacity was completely removed. I can read! Holy shit, dude, this is so cool. Yeah, chat, I took a couple years of computer science. I took AP computer science. Damn right. Damn, that's dope. But anyways. But the majority of my coding knowledge have been things I learned on my own time. I'm most comfortable with Python right now with a little bit of C++ knowledge from college, but I'm hoping to start learning C# to help with laser and use for Godot, Kotlin for Android dev, and maybe a bit of web dev, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and anything else that might help me get a job. In this economy, good luck, Noel. The first major project I released was my score post generator. What? But wait, is this how the Redditors farm karma? A generator for r/osu game styled osu score post. Generates a score post using osu's API. Gets info using score ID or by entering a username/user ID. Calculates PP4 FC if the score isn't an FC. Supports ranked, loved, and graveyard maps. Calculates UR, unstable rate of plays with replays, automatically copy title to your clipboard, and optionally opens r/osu games submission page. Oh my god. This is a karma farming tool. No way. This is how they do it. This is like ultra new, but Utiba already got a major score post with it. Your Jashin 1.1k. Wait. Utiba used the Osu score post generator to snipe the karma? Well, not this. It was a different one. There's more! There's a different score post generator! Yo, it has its own website! Oh my god! Enter a score URL, user URL, or username. BTMC. It just takes the most recent score. You can just copy the title just like that. You can copy the screenshot just like that. Oh my god. Enzo says, I didn't use it and I posted your score before him anyways. Only lost the post because no mods online at that time. Minis Bet also made an automatic one. Wait. Why? So, why do so many things that do the same thing exist? Wouldn't it be best to just like merge together and have one epic one instead of 3 individual ones? Different needs? Capitalism. A free market. I only made mine because I have anxiety over getting score info wrong. I mean, if the score info is wrong, then the mods just nuke you, eviscerate you, right? People just remake stuff for learning a lot. Oh my god, that makes so much sense. Wait, I do that too. Like when I was learning how to make videos and shit, I would just like take inspiration from a video that I watched and basically like try to copy like certain transitions and edits and stuff. That's how I learned about like J cuts, A roll, B roll, etc., etc., right? Even when I was streaming, chat, I took a lot of inspiration for like Summit 1G, XQC, Forsen, like the goats, you know? I'm still taking notes, dude. Kai Cenat is fucking killing it. Nah, that's so dope, dude. Okay, but my more useful project is BB Code Editor. Used to display a real-time preview of your OSU user page as you edit it. This is just like HTML, right? How do you write in HTML? Fuck! The buttons are there for a reason. Chat, this is so fascinating. This is actually so interesting. Like, holy shit. So, if I'm trying to edit my user... Wait, it's not working with my Virginia's 8 Presidents collab. Or is something not formatted right? Nah, but it's probably just a technical difficulty. You know what I'm saying? Because image maps aren't implemented. There's already an issue for it. I'm just lazy. No, that's dope. It allows you to display a real-time preview of your OSU user page as you edit it. I hope to contribute and learn more through this server, my GitHub, and OSU profile. I love how people are linking their OSU profiles. Like, if you link your OSU profile, I treat you like, 5-digit. They still got a long ways to learn. But the moment you link your GitHub, I'm like, oh my god, an intellectual who also likes anime. Respect. I think this shit is so cool, dude. How far are we? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 56 left. Okay, we'll do one more. Dude, okay. Chat, every single day we're gonna go through at least like 10 intros and portfolios. Alright, every single day. One more on the last one. Wait, no way. Yo! HR! What's up, dude? Hello, chat. I'm HR / Hard Rock Farmer / Among Us. When the f did you become Among Us? His Osu. There's no way you're called Among Us on Osu. You're joking. I started out with Python, so I have some experience, but most of my experience and skill is with front-end development using frameworks like React. I worked on a couple of tournament sites with Shepsu and one with him and Rene that will be released soon. TM. I also like to think I'm a little tiny bit decent at UI design, so that's something that I'm pushing to improve on. Feel free to roast my website. It has literally nothing. Where is everything? Alright, he has his Osu profile. Twitch.tv, damn right. Tweeta, damn right. No Discord. GitHub, the one that actually matters, damn right. Projects. Damn, bro was not kidding. Blog. Contact. He says, yeah, I forgot to set everything up. I'm just saying I could make this with ChatGPT. Bro, dude, don't say that, man. There's just something cool about, like, scuffed shit. You know what I'm saying? We gotta appreciate scuffness. Alright? It's human made. It's cooler knowing that there's a guy behind it who's just lazy. Yeah. Here's my dry ass GitHub. Whoa, popular repositories. Game mode copier. Osu Who Bot. Web server. Top plays to CSV. Osu. Forked from Pepe Osu. And Osu dashboard. Wait, so is Osu laser in C#? Because I see a lot of C#, right? I see. So anyone who says that they develop in C# can technically like spend a lot of time to look through the Osu repository, identify something that they find as like an issue, and make a commit to change things and then submit a pull request to merge your commit with the main repository. Is that right? Yo! Dude, this is actually so sick, dude. I've always opened up GitHub and it just becomes like my mind goes blank, dude. I instantly just start scrolling looking for the download link. I feel like expansion. You know what I'm saying? This is so cool. So wait, I do have one problem though. Well, I guess it's not really a problem, or more of like a question. How do you monetize this? Like, say for instance, I wanted to like create an application. There's all these people who have shown these projects and stuff. How do I then like hire a team to then create something? Do I just like pay them and then they just like give me the code or some shit? And then they just tell me how to use the code? Commission them basically? It's better to commission. It's either free or commission. Surely don't expect them to work for free, right? Well, for most of the projects that are like on a smaller scale, like something like the PP counter, like that are obviously like community stuff, like it's not just for me, right? This is stuff that anyone can use. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be hard. But there are things that I do want to create that I want to be a service. Because the roundtable needs, the big problem that the roundtable faces is that it needs to create its own income. It cannot be sustained by me. It has to generate its own income. So the question is, how do we do that? Well, one of the easiest, or one of the most popular methods I've heard of is obviously like creating a service, software as a service. If we created some sort of system that someone actually values that they can then subscribe to, that's dope. Question is, what would people find valuable enough that they're willing to pay money to subscribe to, that we can then funnel that money towards events that are memorable experiences that people can enjoy.
Just gifted 5 subs.
It's tough, right? So like that's been one of my like biggest questions, because this is dope. I always felt like Osu had this problem of like really awesome, talented people like developing and honing their craft, and then just have no incentive to keep it within the Osu community. My hope is that if I solve this equation and pitch this idea and convince people to, you know, spend money and support this project within the Osu community, then all of a sudden super talented developers, artists, writers, editors within that are homegrown within the community can then start to create this ecosystem where Osu talent can stay within the game. You know what I'm saying? So the problem is, I understand that money makes everything complicated. It's cool when everything is just for the vibes. You know what I'm saying? But it is something that I'm going to have to tackle later, eventually, at some point in time, because I do want to make a keypad. I do want to make Roundtable a sustainable project that people can look forward to every single year. And I want to make sure that people are paid fairly. It's just tough. So in regards to like a commission for like someone to create a firmware for a keypad, so I look for, I forgot what it was called, an applied software developer. I forgot. I look for that person, tell him what I want him to do. I'm sure he like communicates with whoever's doing the hardware stuff. Embedded. I look for an embedded software developer. I get him in contact with the person who's like doing the hardware stuff specifically, and make sure that the chip is powerful enough that like hardware wise everything is good. And then this embedded software developer creates the code that then gets flashed onto it. And then like, do I just like, after the commission is done, once the documents are signed, I just own a text file? All right, at the moment it's just I want to emphasize on the community. But I do want to mobilize people and like say, okay, This is what we're trying to do. Who wants to join us? Sell roundtable swords, bro. Trust. See, I'm so up that on like the first, like when you say that, I'm like, damn right, let's do it. But now, because of the experience that I have, my second thought is, hell, shipping a sword, it's probably going to weigh a lot, so shipping costs are going to be huge. It's a very large package, so shipping costs are even going to be exponentially more huge. How is quality control going to be made? Where is the what is the sword going to be made out of? Just because of my rabbit holes into kitchen knives, I know about, like, you know, carbon steel versus iron, hardness versus softness versus sharpening ability versus retaining an edge versus blah 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 blah. Should it be just a vanity type thing? What's the legal risk if someone cuts themselves with a round table swords or kills or like whatever? Like, what legal ramifications are there? Blah 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 blah. It is a fucking nightmare, you know what I'm saying? But it is cool. What if we did have round table swords? But anyways. The roundtable can be official in OSU tournament service that makes staffing easier, such as Discord bot to automatically set up streams, matches available as a subscription service. So, no one would buy that. The tournament community does not make money. The tournament community is being subsidized by passionate people who are flushing money down the toilet. I know this because I'm one of them. I also know this because I also know someone else who's doing the exact same thing. And his name is, what is it, Cindy? Cindy is about to flush literally like a lot of money down the drain to host an event in Scotland, which he's completely aware that he's flushing money down the drain, but he's doing this out of pure passion, dude. But yeah, if you don't hit me up at some point in time regarding some keypad project, I'm disappointed. I'm working on it, dude. It's hard. You should release a wallpaper app. But anyways, these are the ideas that I have on the back of my mind, right? At the moment, I just want to focus on fostering a community of cool shit, of cool people, of cool projects. Like, just giving visibility on the things that are already here. Because there is so much cool shit here. Just from reading people's intros and their portfolios and the projects that they worked on. Holy dude. It's so dope. It's so cool, man. I'm literally like... But this gives me, like, fuel for the vision, okay? The vision is to do something greater. To mobilize for something that no one individually can tackle alone. But collectively, as a unit, as a force, we can achieve together. Whether that's be official OSU ranked matchmaking, right? That has like seasonal leaderboards, that have like prize pools sponsored by XYZ, and the top XYZ players every season wins. Sponsored or presented by person, okay? Or or whatever. There's still other shit. I don't know. Someone's got to figure it out though. Someone's got to figure it out. Anyways, where did Bob go? Oh wait, Bob. Oh, it's because I'm going in order. That's right. Where are you, Bob? You're like all the way down here. What I find so fascinating as well is that I know so many of these people. I've talked to so many of you guys in chat. Master Red, damn right. Neko, damn right. Where is it? There's Cry. Cry, damn right. Derpy, damn... Hi, I'm Derpy Fox. You may know me because of the BTMC Clips channel 2 to 3 years back. I was responsible for uploads like POV, you're standing behind BTMC as he plays Osu, and BTMC reacts to Zudi Nader, Osu's Rising Star, which are still two of the most popular videos on the Clips channel. Damn right. Very passionate about the community that Osu has in the game as well. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been playing this game for 7 years now. I do video editing mostly. I'm still looking to improve that over time. And while confident my abilities are not the best, I've kept putting it off by procrastinating. But hopefully soon that will all change. Damn right, Derpy! But yeah, I've seen so many of these guys in my chat, and it's just like, holy shit, I see an entirely different world now. What's cool is that there's not even just devs in this server. We just created the designer channel for the UX designers, the graphics designers. Eventually, if there's enough discussion, we'll create a video editors channel where people can talk about video editing and like sharing their favorite effects or transitions and videos that and analyze retention strategies and shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Wouldn't that be dope? But yeah, chat, we will read through more we'll read through more intros and portfolios at a later point in time. Now I want to get over to the Osu game, but this is dope as chat. If you guys would like to join the BTMC talent server, !dev server, it's very important. All right, it's not just for developers. Developers I find so interesting because I have like a basic 101 understanding of like Java, and that's it. And like I've always wondered what would happen if I didn't go into Twitch streaming and I actually just took out a loan and went down computer science, and seeing all the shit that people have done as like software engineers and software developers. On one hand, I think it's cool as but on the other hand, I like, damn, maybe this could have been me one day in a separate universe. If I actually got the 25-cent raise from my movie theater job. Who knows? Could have been dope. Yeah. But yeah, again, at the moment, I just want to foster this community of people who just do cool shit. And I also want to encourage people to do cool shit. So even if you're a student, we have many students in this Discord. Even if you're a person who just has an interest in the field and you want to talk to people who walk the walk, you know what I'm saying? Let's do it. That's the community we're trying to build in this server. At the same time while still playing Osu. Also, this is what inspired me to make the keypad and message you in pure fear about my idea.
Potentially, make a big difference in the design of the keypad. But yeah, these are like kind of ideas. You want to go take it? I mean, I can definitely work with you on designing stuff like this. It's a pretty cool idea, personally. And I'm already
Am I dumb as fuck? I don't remember having this call.
working on it, and I have like all the software ready for it. And I also have like a keypad, a PCB design ready that I can't even manufacture because I don't have the damn part.
Bob, I have sent a friend request. I have a lot of connections in the mechanical keyboards community, so this is great. However, I do want to
Potentially, make a
I do remember! Oh my god! Wait, okay, so Bob, after we had this discussion, I hit up Glarses. And I'm like, Glarses, what if we made a keypad together? I have this guy who, like, has the stuff and has the juice, and he's like, alright, fucking bet. And then we were like, we got stuck immediately trying to figure out what to name this company. Or name this keypad. We went through all of the painful ideas. Zenith, Epsilon. We went through all the bad ones. Eventually, we ran into we ran into another issue, which was taxes. So because I'd be co-founding this company with Glarses, it would involve any profits be double taxed, depending on where the company is like located. If it's located in the U.S., then any profits get taxed in the U.S. and then those profits get sent over to the U.K. and they get taxed again. And we're like, this sucks ass. And then the discussion like fiddled out. That's where it died. That's where it died. Okay, now you have some closure, Bob.